The news report mentioned that the Hong Kong government is launching some large-scale infrastructure programs, including the Guangzhou-Shenzhen-Hong Kong Express Rail Link and the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. What do you think?
Personally, I think it is good news. This will have a positive effect on Hong Kong's economy.
I agree. Aggregate demand will increase for Hong Kong.
I know what demand is, but I don't know the meaning of aggregate demand.
It refers to the sum of demand from households, firms, government and foreign countries for domestic goods and services.
I see. As I understand it, we have demand for and supply of goods and services. Is there also an aggregate supply?
Yes, there is. In fact, the long-run aggregate supply of Hong Kong will also be affected by those infrastructure programs.
So, what exactly is aggregate supply?
It is difficult to explain in a few words. You might try to find the answer yourself.
Okay.
Can you guess the difference between market demand and aggregate demand? What factors can affect the aggregate demand of an economy?